Hi everyone!
What's happening?
It's time to look at multi-hybrid crosses. We've done dihybrid crosses. Now what about if you have more than two genes? How the heck do we do that?
Okay.
Yes, so let's try it. What if we have big G, big F, little t, crossed, little g, big F, big T. How the heck do we do that? Well, we essentially use the branch diagram, which I also just call using the math version. So you can make individual little Punnett squares to come up with the probabilities, and then because we want to know how something happens all together, we need to use the multiplication rule. That's it.
Okay.
What? What? Huh? What do you mean?
Okay.
Yeah, that's better. Thank you. So first we have to ask our question, what is the probability of having an offspring little g, big F, big T? That's our question. How do we solve this? Well, we can draw individual Punnett squares to come up with individual probabilities and then multiply them together. We want all of these things here happening together. So we start with the G's and we do a Punnett square, or we just know the probability. Remember, these are the ones I said we need to memorize. So I'll draw the little Punnett square for this guy to help us, since this is teaching and learning. Right? So here we would have our Punnett square, and I believe that's true.
Okay.
Yes, so that would be big G, big G, little g. So in this Punnett square, what is the probability of getting little g? Well, half our big G, half our little g. What does that mean? Yeah, it means this probability is a half. Same thing now for the F's. Big F, little f. What is the probability of big F, little f? You should be able to do this without the Punnett square. If you need one, take a break, do the Punnett square. But we know that that's half also. Now, what about this guy? What about the T's? What is the probability of big T from little t, big T? I hope we know this one. What do you think? Yes? Do you know this one?
Okay.
Yes? What do you think? Do you know it? Yes, you do. It's 100%, or 1. Whoops. 1. So then we multiply these all together. A half times 1 equals what? A 1/4 chance of getting this genotype. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Let's do it.
Okay.
Yes, so do this problem, take a screenshot, upload, number 4.5 multi-homework, and we'll go over it in class. Thanks, guys, and have a great one.
Sounds like somebody's got a case of the Mondays.
Well, I hope not.